Hey guys, it's Kimmy.
Hey, and this is Jeff. How y'all doing?
All right, we are here. Jeffrey's going to show you how he cleans his grill and also do a slight review on the.
I'm going to show you guys in a minute here, in a little
It's
bit here.
upside down.
Oh, upside down. So here it is. So if you remember a few weeks ago, we set the grill up and did the initial seasoning. Yeah. And
That's not out yet. It's coming soon.
yeah. So we had our little get together, finished cooking, and I had purchased a little kit that I would use to clean the grill with.
You got to speak up.
And so, okay. So in this kit right here, they had a cleaner.
Show them the title
I'm about to.
of it. Hold on.
Oh, let it go back. I got it. So this is the thing right here. Okay. And I'm gonna
Well,
open
show
it
me
up.
the title of it.
Okay.
Slow down. Good night. Oh, guys, I got to get off that coffee. I'm having an attack. Okay, anyway, this is called the Thai Masai. Thai Masai. Now he'll show you the inside of the kit. I'll put this in the link for you too. It's a nice little kit with all your barbecue stuff.
So in here there was a cleaner or a brush or whatever you want to call it. However, I got to thinking. I said, you know what? I don't really know if I want all these bristles on here. So let me open it up.
Oh, show me your glove too.
Now these gloves did not come in the kit. We can put this in the link as well, but this is supposed to be like for like grilling or what have you. So this is like supposed to keep your hands protected.
Nice and heavy.
However,
Look at that.
However, this particular cleaner here has got these steel bristles on here, and I had something like that before. But as I was looking on how to clean, and I'm like, I don't know, because what if these things break off? And then that's what I saw. People was kind of concerned about if they break it. Well, yeah. I mean, I don't know if you get something to go in you, and you know, or something like that.
I
swallow
saw
it.
on TV before too. These bristles, if it get in your meat, like you cleaned your grill, and now you use this bristle brush that Jeffrey's showing you, and that get in your meat or something in the future, choke to death.
Yeah. So we don't want to do that, right? So I got this. I noticed whenever I'm doing a search for something, I'm always saying, what's the best of something? And then work your way down. Try to find something that's economical, price-wise. So I found this particular brush here. I'll close this up afterwards.
Show them some of the stuff in here. Why you got it open? Just open it up.
So we've got some knives, and I got my little seasoning thing here. And don't care if it's gonna fall
You
out.
hold one in and I hold one in.
Because it's still kind of loose.
Look, y'all. Because
So-
you got to be able to see it.
See, that's the reason why.
Well, you got to hold it.
So
Just hold it. There you go. You got your spinners for like your meat. Spit. It's called spit something, ain't it?
I don't know what these are.
You got the little spit things for your rotisserie chicken. That's in there. Hold on. You got a spatula. Can you see all that? It's like a little toolkit
And you
for
got
your
some,
grill.
yeah, you got a
It's
tongs.
actually a knife and fork in there too.
Yeah, you got some tongs and stuff like
Tongs. It's real nice.
that. Yeah. So,
Oh, here, you want the glove?
oh yeah, we'll put that in there. So I'm gonna put this up because, so yeah, so I didn't want to use the thing with the bristles on there. So I saw online. I'll clean this, fix this up later on because now it's all out of whack. But it'll go flat when I get it situated. Anyway, here's this bristle thing here. Barbecue Daddy. Now we're not connected with it. This is what I've seen to be the one of the best ones. It's really rated really well. So it says submerge head in cold water before use. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to turn on your grill and let it heat up. I should have had it on while I was talking. But anyway, so I'm gonna cut it on here, and then I'm gonna let it open up the gas, and we're gonna turn it up here. So there we go. And I'm gonna let this heat up. Oh. Did I get all of them? Okay, let me see here. So all the eyes are on.
Let me show them the gook on there. So this is how much gook was on there, or I don't know what you call it.
Do after you.
The residue from cooking.
Right.
From when we had the barbecue.
Yeah.
Hopefully y'all can see that.
So I'm gonna turn
Dog,
this
I wish
up
we had something.
Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, it says to get up to around, I think it said three. Let me see on the box. I think it said get up to like 350, no more than 350. Oh yeah. Heat grill to about 300. Do not exceed 350. Submerge head in cold water. Colder the better, until saturated, and apply to the hot grate. For best results, desaturate often working sections. So I saw how they were doing it, the kind of the technique that they were doing online. Just pretty much kind of go back and forth.
Do you need the gloves on to do that?
No.
What if you get burnt?
I won't get burnt.
I hope you don't get burnt.
Yeah. Because I'm going to turn it down once it gets to that temperature. And see, it doesn't take this grill to get that long. It's at 300 already. So let me cut this down.
While he doing that, I'm gonna show y'all the storage box that we bought too. It's so nice. 26. I'm gonna put the link in there for all this. That's the storage box. Open the storage box bag. He put all his stuff in there. His tools, his little kit he just showed you for grilling. Let me show y'all how deep it is. So it's really deep. You can close it. I'll show them the outside one more time. This was $26, right?
This right here?
No, the box.
Something like that. It wasn't that much.
Yeah, it was like $25.
No tools needed to put it together.
In the place. So if you need an outdoor
all right, so we're
storage
getting ready to do this
thing.
here, folks.
All right, here you go.
So I put some ice in the bucket here.
Come and show them what you're doing.
No, bring it over here. I can't show it because I'm getting ready to clean.
Hold on, yeah.
So
Booyah.
what I'm doing here is I'm submerging this in. That's it. Submerge it in.
Let me
there.
come closer so y'all can see.
And
And
we're
what is
gonna-
it, like a sponge?
Yeah, it's supposed to be like a sponge, and you want it cold, and you're supposed to. Whoa!
Is it coming
Steam.
off good?
Yeah.
Like butter.
Yeah.
I always say like butter, y'all.
So I will say this is doing what it's supposed to do.
Okay, Jeffrey. Let's go, Scrub Daddy.
So
And again, we don't work for them. We just always bring y'all good stuff. Okay. I will put the link in the description box. How much was that?
this was about $25. This is not cheap, but it's worth it.
Yeah, to clean that grill off because you
You
don't
see
even
that?
want to eat burnt
You see
over
how that
stuff.
look?
Oh, yeah,
That
y'all.
look just like brand new.
It sure do.
So it said to keep it, and it said the colder the better, because the idea is to steam it off.
Oh, you steaming it off.
Right.
Okay.
And this works really good. I'm really surprised.
Okay, let's
Now
go.
this has the little teeth right here. Like if you were gonna go over it, I think it will fit. Yeah, like if you
In
were-
between?
In between,
Okay.
but I don't really need that.
Okay.
And so what I'm gonna do, and it don't take that long. You could do this after you're finished cooking, or before you cook, start getting ready to cook for your next one.
Is it better to do it the same day?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, but when you see this right here, I mean,
You don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Now, how do you clean that? The Scrub Daddy.
This can go in the dishwasher.
The sponge
Actually, yeah,
can?
and it doesn't have any of those hard bristles on there, So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this right here.
Mm-hmm.
Let me try to.
Want me to hold it?
Well, it's gonna drip all on you. I don't want to drip.
Oh.
It's still kind of dirty. What I'm gonna do, since this is clean,
That quick?
yeah, it's clean. Now, when you're doing like charcoal, it'll be a little bit different, but
Oh, that side. So he got a dual grill, guys.
Yeah.
That side was electric, and this side is charcoal.
now the grates, it doesn't really matter about the grates.
Mm.
However, I just figured let me just clean this side too, right? So,
Oh, you don't have to clean the grate?
yeah. What I'm gonna do, let me move this right here. Because I'm just gonna move those grates over here. And put that
Why you
here.
can't just clean it on that same side? Oh, because it's got to be heated up.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Y'all see I'm still learning, right?
All right.
This is good. This is good, Jeffrey. This could be for any kind of barbecue grill, not just the brand he got. Any grill you got, you can
Right.
you can use that Scrub Daddy on. And I'll put the link for all of that in the description box.
So what I'm gonna do,
Actually, when you click our little link for Amazon store, you'll see all the little goodies that we recommend. So I'll take time one day and organize it based on grilling needs, food, seasonings, kitchen tools, whatever. So we just find little reasonably priced items that can make your life easier. And we don't work for these companies.
So I'm gonna, yeah, we don't work for those folks.
Now, if they happen to call me, your girl gone, hold on, let me put the camera. Scrub Daddy, if you just happen to be watching and you like what you see, call us. We got you. But we only bring y'all stuff that we actually use for real. Let's turn it back on Jeffrey while he move those grates over.
So yeah, so it's pretty clean. I mean, it didn't take that much.
No, it did not. I'm surprised my own self.
You know, you could do a little.
And I thought it had to be hot though.
Well, this is still kind of warm.
So it got warm from the other side.
Yeah.
Okay. This for all my people who don't know nothing about grilling.
All right, so this is going back up. The temperature is back up because the gas doesn't take the. It's really quick as far as heating up is concerned.
Okay.
So we're at 350 right now. So you see it's kind of smoking off of there because it's from the residuals.
And that's the other side.
That's the other stuff from the other side.
He switched the grates out.
Yeah.
That's a bad something, I'm gonna tell you. Let me get closer.
And the water's, I put ice, like I said, I put ice in there because the idea is to steam it off.
Let me show them the water. Just so you can see everything. So you can see how dirty the water is.
And it says keep it, you know, keep wetting it up.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do one more pass and we should be good and ready to go. The next time you want, you want to cook.
Let's go, let's go. Now, normally, how long would it have taken you using that old-fashioned way?
Oh, I mean, you would want to do it afterwards.
Immediate.
Preferably, or you could start your, like if you're doing gas and you would start, then you'd have to clean. You got to scrub and scrub and scrub.
But this worked really good, huh?
Yeah, it worked pretty good. Let me take my glass so I can see. Yeah, that's pretty good. All things considered.
All things ready for the next barbecue. Let's go, people. So I'll put all of this again. You can check our little Amazon store. Click the link under the link section, and anything you see you want, go for it. And we hope you have a great barbecue. Anything else you wanted to add?
No, folks. I just want to let you know that this is a go right here.
So that's the GoDaddy scrub
This
brush.
is the scrub, the BB, and you see if you notice here, it's got the handle so that you can grab on it, and I think you can move it around. You can move it like over here, over there, depending on which way you want to do it. If you want to spin it around, I think you could take this off and spin that around or do something with this. I forgot what I don't even know what you can do with this little plastic piece right here. It's something you can do with it.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, I think it has a hook. I don't know what. No. This is for like if you're drinking some beer and taking the bottle caps off.
A bottle cap remover.
Yeah, bottle cap remover. If you can see that, it's crazy.
Because you're going to be tired after all that grilling.
Yeah, well, yeah. So that's it. That is it, folks.
All right. So we're going to say bye. I'm going to come over and say bye right quick.
So I'm going to turn it off.
Adios.
Always remember to practice safe grilling, best practices. Practice grilling skills.
What's a few of the best practices right quick? Because a lot of people...
Make sure you turn off your gas. So I turned it off here, obviously. But also you turn off at your at the actual tank.
Yeah, got that. Turn off the grill and the tank. Don't blow up. It ain't worth it.
Yeah. So
that's it.
That's
all
it,
right.
folks.
So say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We'll talk to you a little bit.
All right. Bye, guys.
Yeah.